Yo, we're streaming again. This is weird. 2 days in a row? That is weird, isn't it? Huh? This is probably the first time I've been like, I'm gonna stream tomorrow on a stream, and then actually stream tomorrow. I don't know if that. Oh, this is weird. Okay. Sorry. This is probably the first time where I've streamed the day before, said that I was gonna stream tomorrow, and actually streamed tomorrow. Well, today is tomorrow. Tomorrow's today, and we're streaming. So I guess that's a first, right? There's probably another time where I've streamed 2 days in a row, I think. But yeah, we are at crunch time. May the 4th is coming up. Today is May the 2nd. It will soon be May the 3rd in about an hour. And this is the last session I'll have to repair some sabers. So it's like, let's just do it while everything is still in its place. And I lose what's the word? Motivation to do it again. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going with the sabers. Let's do this one. Bam. No, not that one. Let's do this one. Let's start off with this screen right here. Bam. Look at all of the sabers that still need to be fixed. It'd be nice to like get a blue one fixed today, considering how I fixed 2 greens yesterday and 2 greens and 4 reds. So today, let's aim for at least 2 blues. I think that'd be good, and then anything after that would be extra credit, probably. But yeah, so yeah, there's a lot of Ultra Sabers. We have 4 hilts that are just empty inside because either their switch broke or whatever, and then I literally pulled out the entire guts of the saber. So if we look over here, this is wow. So if we look over here, this is the entire innards of a saber. The only problem is the switch itself got like cut off. So this thing kind of just got pushed into the saber, and then I opened it from the bottom and then just pulled it out of the hilt. But yeah, since it's the beginning of the stream, why don't we just explain what the insides of a saber is again, even though we did it yesterday. But really, this is just a flashlight. A lightsaber is just a flashlight. At least stunt lightsabers are just flashlights. And then they have acrylic blades that come out of it. And the acrylic blades are what take all the damage. But what you got here is you got the LED that makes the light, you have battery pack, and then you have a switch. And then somewhere along the line, you have a resistor. So, starting from left to right, we got a battery pack for the power, of course. Battery pack for power. We got LED for the light. We got a switch to turn it on and off. So that's these three components should be pretty self-explanatory. But the 4th component is a resistor. And depending on what color LED you use, you're gonna have to use a specific type of resistor. Because this is where we get into something that's a little more complicated, is that batteries push out a specific type of voltage. Is voltage the right? Amps, voltage, electricity. The amount of energy that the batteries pump out is a very specific type of energy. But the amount of energy an LED needs to prevent before it like burns out is very specific. So the resistor you would need would differ between a red, a green, a blue, any type of color. If you have multiple colors, like if you have a purple, then you're using a blue and a red one. So depending on what color LEDs you use will depend on what resistor you use. Ultra Sabers has been doing this thing lately where they've been using buck pucks, which is supposed to be this like, oh, did I even save it or did I throw it away? Hold on. Yeah, so a buck puck is supposed to replace the resistor, and a buck puck is supposed to be like, what's the word? One scenario catch-all type thing, where it doesn't matter what LED you use, the buck puck will just automatically regulate the electricity going through it, coming back, because it goes through here, comes back, and then it goes to here between the battery and the LED. But I feel like this is a very big failure point in a lot of the Sabers. In at least 2 or 3 Sabers that we messed with yesterday, this is what was wrong. Or at least that's what I came across. But then also you have like things like this. This could also be a problem, very often is a problem. Because when you're using Stunt Sabers, the components are like moving up and down all the time whenever you strike or whenever it hits something. The components move a lot. So crimping of the cables is a very common issue. But yeah, we're just gonna get into it, I guess. This is an empty hilt. So let's just start with a hilt that has stuff in it. And oh, this one also has a butt plug. Is this also a red one? Oh, and this one's got a broken switch. You push it in there and it gets stuck forever. You can't get it out. Is it possible to remove it? No. We'll use not this saber. Not this saber. Huh. Let's move this one. See if this one is okay. What's wrong with this one? Speak to me, Saber. Reveal me your secrets of why you cannot function. Oh, there's batteries in here. This is a little concerning. Some of these Sabers, I chose the rechargeable battery option. So the rechargeable batteries that Ultra Saber give you, they are not AA's. They are Trustfire 18650 batteries that are the same size as AA batteries. So if you use any batteries that aren't the 18650 3.7 volts, these are weird words, I'm sorry, but just know that like there are differences to the batteries. Don't use AA's if it doesn't say that you have to use AA's. I'm out of drink. No more drink. But yeah, let's pull the LEDs, or let's pull the wires through and see if there's any visible issues. Can I do this? Hold on. Is that the issue? Let's do this. This is something I just recently implemented. Scene. HDMI. Bam. Alright, and then let's grab this cable. Shut the button. I know it looks weird, I'm sorry. So we do this. We do this. Video. Oh, is it not working? No! Video, HDMI. Oh, that's something. Oh, there it is. Bam. Alright, so we go to video. Can we do camera? Oh, we can't turn on the lights. Oh, you can't turn on lights when you have the video connected. Oh man. Well, we're just gonna have to finagle the lights. Or can we do this? No, we can't. Oh, that sucks. It'd have been so cool if I could use the lights while we're looking through the camera. Either way, the issue here, it's not something I can really pinpoint. Or it looks like that red cable actually right there is disconnected. Oh no, it's not disconnected. You know, is it just the battery? Do we just have a dead battery over here? Hold on. Well, do we just have a dead battery over here? If it's just a dead battery, then I'm gonna be a little sad about the Saber just being here in the dead zone. But yeah, let's see if the battery is the issue. Oh! Maybe it is just dead battery. Does that count as a fixed Saber? I don't know. The most stress test I can do at my desk is just shaking it a lot. And sometimes sometimes the solution is just a battery, who knows? But yeah, hopefully this is the only thing that's wrong with it. If so, then I guess we're good. C18. Yeah, because I don't see any other issues So wait, if we turn it on, can you? You can kind of do it. So let's give this another try. No, the blue LED is not helping at all. Oh, we could up the brightness. Huh. I mean, it looks okay. Oh well. It sucks that you can't use the flashlight while you have an HDMI plugged in. But I mean, at least that's some form of a closer look. We can just do this. Is this better? It's like the same thing. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't see anything else issued. I don't see any other issues in here. But you know, if you can shake it around, shake the battery pack around, shake the hilt itself around, and it doesn't turn off the light, I guess it's good. Alright, well, we gotta shove everything back in and then shake it again. Does this count as a Saber repair if the only issue is the battery? I don't know. The more working Sabers, the better. That's also another thing too, is that some of these batteries are dying. We've had these batteries since 2014. There's a good chance that some of them are like super old. But who knows? I made a great mistake putting this thing so deep in there. Where did my pliers go? Oop. Let's put the cotton ball right here. See if that's better. C18? C18, okay. If this works, then that's cool. Can't complain. Shake, 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 shake. Shake test. I mean, you can call that working. The problem with Sabers, though, is that I can't replicate a proper functioning environment, I guess, because I'm one person and I have limited space. The only way for me to like properly test it and make sure that it works is if I had another person and we were like outside and actually smacking the Sabers against each other, because I can't replicate any normal use of the Saber. But it's working while I'm shaking, so I'm gonna count that as a working Saber, I hope. We are running out of batteries now, which I guess is a good thing, because we've had so many spare batteries before because of all the Sabers that weren't working. Where's my phone? So let's at least add that to the quota of working Sabers. Repairs. C18. I guess that technically counts as a blue Saber repair, huh? C18 blue. We have made a lot of progress in the Saber repair. But let me check what batteries we have, because if we have any other battery cases, we can potentially fix some of these other batteries. I don't think so. Lame. Oh, do I have a battery pack that's like this? Oh, these are all broken too. Oh, that sucks. Not, this one's not broken. We'll deal with these later. This is more of a personal thing. This one's broken. These two are working. This one is broken. yellow LED over here. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna grab something. Stare at this for a bit. Stare at it for a bit. Ah! Oh god. Poop, 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 poop. Bye. Well, you can see my arms before you see my body, so I don't know. The thing I was looking for is not there. Too bad. Too bad. Oh well. Yeah, we're just gonna keep going. I guess I'm gonna count that as one saber because it looks like our repair potential today is actually really limited. Unfortunately. Come on. Oh. Never mind. No, this one is dead. Damn it. This is the problem with saber repairs. There's so many components that I always get kind of messed up at what's good and what's not working. That's a dead switch. Let's switch that. Back. The battery pack. Oh, this is a dead battery pack. Huh. This one has a dead switch, so we could probably swap that out. Oh, let's try this one. This is a saber that was donated to the club, and it wasn't working. So let's see if we can make it work. This is another. This is a 4 AAA battery one. It looks like the contacts are good on this one. So that's good. Oh yeah, so that's the issue. The issue is right there. This wire is disconnected. And it's all the way inside of there. Of course it is. So... Oh no, what did it get disconnected from? I cannot tell. Oh no, if it got disconnected from the thing itself, that would suck. If it got disconnected from the resistor, we might have to use a soldering iron. That's gonna suck. Okay, no, I did not get it. It got disconnected. Oh, no, it did get disconnected. That's trash. Yeah, we can't fix this if we... Not without a soldering iron. Or, maybe I can. I'm gonna try something stupid. Let's do stupid things. Alright. So this is the plan. I'm gonna grab some wire, just stretch it all the way there, and then B-clip it on this side. See if that works. So I need B-clips. I need the lineman tool. There you are. So 1, 2, this, and some wires. And maybe the straw. Okay. And a straw. Alright, so what are we gonna do first? let's get a cable long enough to go through the whole thing. All right. We don't need that anymore. Oh, I do need the, I need another, I need a, I need the hobby knife, so I can cut the, I need the hobby knife so I can cut the, whatever this thing's called. I keep forgetting. Heat shrink. Heat shrink. You cut the heat shrink. We're stripping the heat shrink so that we can get into the area with the other, with the cables. Oh, still gotta cut it. Gotta cut through the heat shrink. Gotta separate it. We gotta free the cables so that I can access them. Ah, so close. Can we just rip the black one out? Oh, it's... Hold on. This may have been a futile effort to cut this shrink wrap because I can't get into it without like cutting everything. I mean, I could just cut the black cable and then replace the length. I don't really need to use the whole thing. I'm just gonna have a random black cable stuck in there forever. It also looks like they just electrical tape down here. Kind of shoddy. What the heck? Let's just get a little more length and then we're going to connect the white cable to it. Well, I guess that's as far as we're going. I'm going to cut the black cable. We're going to connect it to the white one that we just made. And then we're going to have it go as far as we can. So we're cutting the black cable. We're going to extend it, and then we're going to push it through the Saber so that it can meet with this part. Up. Right? We are combining the two. I really do hope I made this white cable long enough. It should be, right? It should be enough. Oh, we got a Groovatronic. What is up? Welcome. We are just repairing Sabers today. Being kind of chill. So we're just gonna stick the straw through. Once we've taped the cable to the straw, we can just push the straw through, and then we can get the cable through the Saber. Saber maintenance is only as difficult. I mean, Saber maintenance can be as difficult as trying to build a ship in a bottle, but with little tricks like these, you can make it a little easier. So many hilts, so little time. So little time. I'm gonna cut this. Let's cut this right here. Let's expose the wires. And then we're gonna see if this dumb idea works or not. We're gonna connect the wire to the resistor like this. It doesn't seem like a good idea. It doesn't seem like it's gonna work for too long because it's not soldered. But as long as the contacts are connecting, it shouldn't be too bad. Lightsaber in a bottle. I wouldn't be surprised if that was a plot point at one point in the Rise of Skywalker or something. I don't know if this is gonna work. I hope if this messes up the resistor, then that kind of sucks. But let's see if this works. It's actually in there pretty tight. All right, so that is what I was intending to do. So that's good. Shove it back in there. And let's shove some batteries in here and see if that works. Batteries. This one uses 4 AAA batteries, so I have an abundance of that. That's good. Shove these in here. I should make a timer for every, It works! Let's go! Pew, 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 pew. Oh, it's not working. Aw, what the heck? My sound fonts disappear. Oh, what's going on? Oh, this didn't turn on. Hold on. My audio might be weird. Give me a second. Oh, these are pretty cool. It was just a... Hello? Yeah, it was just a cheap... There it is. It's working. These battery boxes are just like this is like a cheap thing that you can find on Amazon or anything. But it has a bunch of foam that's like properly sized for batteries, so that's good. Considering how I have to keep maintenance for a ton of Sabers, it was a very good thing to have. But yeah, so yeah, the Saber works. We've repaired another Saber. Yeah, this one's just AA and AAA. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3, 24. It can hold 24 double A's, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 30 triple A's. 30 triple A's and 24 double A's. Not a bad battery box. This is what I've been using though. I like this. It's like a ammo clip style. These are special batteries that I've been using for the last 10 years. Some of them are finally dying, but I can push them like upside down or right side up, and that will tell me whether or not they've been used or if they're charged or anything like that. I really like this thing. But this one is good for like bulk batteries, especially if they're just like double, like Costco or whatever. Yeah, it's a good amount, and then it's like it's a hard box. So like you throw it in a bag and you don't have to worry about it dying. You don't have to worry about it like getting smushed or anything like that. So that's a good plus. Yeah. So let's do some preventative maintenance. We got the Saber working. Let's try and extend the amount of time that it will work by doing preventative maintenance. So first things first, we're gonna shove some cotton balls on both sides. This thing? Yeah, these are rechargeable. These aren't even double A's. These are like 18650. Oh, 14500. These are 14500s. They're special batteries that there you go. They're like lithium ion batteries? No. Yeah, they are. They're lithium ion 3.7 volts. A lot stronger than a normal battery. So some of them are pretty bright. Reusable batteries. Yeah, me too. They're very nice. Also, the reusable battery packs are generally more durable than these 4 AAA ones. These, I don't know, they have more plastic in the right places. These kind of suck because the springs are stronger than the plastic. So over time, the springs will push apart the plastic, and then it's gonna break even if you don't use it. If you just leave batteries over here, and then you just have it sit in your shelf for like a couple years, it's gonna be broken. Because the batteries will eventually just fold the plastic outwards. But these, I feel like, are a little more durable. I feel like there's just more plastic in the right places, and like the springs don't cause the plastic to bend. But it's all good. This is like the base configuration of batteries when you order these Sabers from Ultra Sabers. There's not really much you can do about it. So right now I'm shoving cotton balls into the hilt because when you use the Sabers and they're shaking around, the components will move up and down, and then like it can cause fraying or like breaking the wires, which is a no-no, and then it will break the Saber. So yeah, that's a preventive maintenance thing. The other thing we can do is grab some electrical tape and try to reinforce the wires. There's another weak point between these Sabers is where the wires come out of the battery pack. I had some electrical tape and I just lost it. Where did it go? Smart solutions on the cheap. Yeah, man, we got some basic cotton balls. I bought these cotton balls back in like 2013. I still have a bag of them. The bag is still not empty. And then electrical tape is super cheap. But also hard to find. Where'd they go? Where's the E-tape, bro? Electrical tape. I was just using it. Oh, there it is. Found it. Yeah, man. So there are things. So 3D printing is an amazing aspect of Saber maintenance. Yeah, there's like a. I could. Let's see. Do I have it in here in this box? Oh, it's inside of a box in a box. Oh no, here you go. We got things like this. This is what we call a chassis, I guess. this thing was made before 3D printing was a thing, but these things are made to hold a battery holder, a soundboard, and a speaker. This would be the ultimate like form of preventative maintenance, but right now my 3D printer is broken, so I can't print any more of these. Also, I bought this like way back in 2012 before you need electrical tape? Yeah. No, I got some. I found some. Thanks, Bailey. Or thanks, not Bailey. Bailey. I saw a B and I thought it was Bailey. It was B lover. But yeah, see, these things fit perfectly inside of a Saber that's like 1 inch in diameter on the inside. But yeah, I don't have too many of these. I would need a 3D printer. But yeah, it fits perfectly, like just about perfectly. You can fit the threads in there, and then you just need a speaker. But I have seen some that like just house these things in particular. That'd be really nice. But yeah, these things are really cool. I just wish that they were a lot easier to come across. But yeah, so now that I have the electrical tape, the first form of preventive maintenance is to put the cotton balls in there so that like while the components are shaking inside the Saber, they don't like, there's a lower chance of them like bending and cutting themselves. And then the second form of preventative maintenance, if I can find my tools, because I keep losing them for some reason, is to tape the battery pack and the wires, because this is a very common point of failure right here. These can snap. So try to like reinforce these things as much as you can. Uh-oh. Try to reduce the amount that it will bend by doing something like that. And then there, that's good. And then also putting tape on the battery pack. My intention is to like also help prevent the springs from pushing apart the plastic. But yeah, if you put tape all around it, hopefully it helps keep these things from breaking apart. Because I do have a Saber in the back right here. I could show you that like like the thing just shatters and it's crazy. And then last but not least, we put a Velcro to keep the batteries from falling out sideways. And then like in really extreme situations, you can just straight up use electrical tape to keep the batteries in there because you can just keep it tight. But yeah. Still work? I swear if I broke it, that would suck. Nice. You got a professor that has got a 3D printer. This is a blue custom. This is a Saber that was donated to the club by one of our members that didn't want the Saber anymore, so we need to label it. Just gonna put a blue sticker on here because it is a blue Saber. And then we can mark it with something. I don't know what to call it. Let's do C40. C40. I hope that doesn't confuse anyone. But yeah, boom. We have officially fixed another Saber. Let's go. Yep. Hopefully these things just don't shake around too much. Because if they do, they might crimp the cables or something. If they do, then we're gonna have to get into it again. But stay hopeful. Shake test. The Saber is called a Blue Regard Q Kazoo. Did you say kazoo? Alright, that's another Saber down. We have technically fixed 2 blue Sabers. Technically, I guess. So I guess we've met today's stream goal. We've met the goal of this stream, but... Oh, we got more batteries. Wow, look at that. These things are probably dead. So I wonder if the issue is dead batteries. Which would be kind of dumb. But, hey ho. Whoa. I mean, easy fixes are good fixes, right? So we should just, I guess we'll just add some tape onto this thing and then call it a day. Everything looks good to me. Only it would focus. Huh. I call that a big Saber. Alright, well, let's just add some tape for some preventive maintenance and then call that one a day. We take the dubs. We take them no matter how small they are. Small dubs are still dubs. Toot toot. Toot toot. Oh no, this thing's definitely got some shortage going on over here. This one. Small subs, small dubs. Dubs be dubs, bro. We ain't picky on dubs. More tape. Yeah, this thing is kind of nicked. It might break in the future. If it does, at least it would be a somewhat simple fix, but let's try and prevent that by putting some tape around here. Trying to hold it together. And then bam. Oh, it is. It's pretty nice. It is a pretty nice X-Acto knife. I haven't been using it too much, though. I mean, like, I haven't built a Gundam in so long. But, it was definitely... It definitely served me well while I was using it. So. Is that good enough? Is it good enough, Papa? Yeah. How's your day been, though? Been chilling? May the 4th is coming up. Are you doing anything to celebrate? You need a knife for your semester? What do you do with knives? What do you do with X-Acto knives? Velcro ASMR. Oh, design. Do you make little models? I've seen some people make like models of buildings and stuff, and those things are kind of crazy. Jeez. We're gonna call this a fix, I guess. Preventative maintenance. Why not? Oh, Bacon, what's up? Welcome back. These fixes are a lot faster than yesterday, that's for sure. Although, half of them were just dead batteries. Small dubs, they're still dubs. Printing with inks. Printing with inks? What is that? Like 3D printing? Blue. And then C18, C18. What is this? C21. We have fixed a ton of sabers today. It is Suta and Kairi. S-U-T-A. And then sometimes H. C21. Blue. And then Inkairi. Suta. Yes, sir. Suta Inkairi. Ow. Printing with inks. Printing with inks. Tommy. Suda is just katakana for star. So it shouldn't be too hard to remember. Although I don't have it like on the screen anywhere. And then Inkairi is kind of a weird name. 2D designs. Then use screen to print on a... Oh, okay, cool. That is another fixed saber. Can we fix any more? I think 2D designs. What was the last thing you designed? Ooh, sure. You going swimming, Bacon? That sounds good. I haven't gone swimming in so long. What's wrong with this saber? Nice. Swimming sounds like a lot of fun. Is it going to be in a pool or is it going to be in the ocean? Pool. Oh, okay. Pool sounds cool. Ugh, God. Oh, you live in a condo? Are you going today? Got friends coming over sometime this week? I don't see an issue here. It looks like everything's working. Oh, there's the issue. Oh, no, there's the issue. That's the actual issue. Alright, we can fix this. Yeah? I think so. Yeah, we can fix this. We can totally fix this. Story time. Yeah. Oh no, that was a life story. Oh, Groove. Let's see. I think you can put it here, if you're okay with that. You can put it anywhere else you want. You can put it in the Discord if you want to, or the I think you can put it here. I'm not sure. There was a viewer one time that showed me their Oh, I'm sorry, Bacon. It's a personal Discord. I'm sorry, Bacon. If I ever like get monetized or something, I'll start a Discord for the community. But right now, it's just kind of just a side project. That's what we gotta do. I'm sorry. Is it broken here too? No, it's not. Okay. We need to cut this. We need to cut this open so I can get to the wire, and then we can extend the wire. 4813. You know what? I should probably make a secondary Discord account. I've just been busy with like May the 4th stuff and Pokemon. Well, not really. Not even with Pokemon lately. Lately, I've just been busy with this stuff. I think the last time I was actually like heavy into Pokemon was a couple weeks ago. $48.13. Aw. Have a good night, Bacon. Ah. Oh, sure. Yeah. I hope you have fun at the pool. I haven't gone to the pool in so long. Ooh. Are these mushrooms? These pink ones look like mushrooms from they remind me of Risk of Rain. Ink screen printed on Bristol. Oh, okay. Do you have any of these on a canvas and like on a wall in your house yet? Because they definitely look perfect for that. Damn, this is what's wrong. Oh no! Oyster mushrooms. Cloister mushrooms. Come on. If we can remove the shrink wrap without breaking the metal coming from the resistor, then we're good. But if we break it, then we're kind of done with the Saber. Oh, we did it. Awesome. Except the metal is kind of warped. But whatever, that's all we can do. We can't do much else about that. Let's grab some white wire. Make it as long as the Saber, or longer. Oh no, as long as the Saber's fine. Bam. We're gonna strip the wire, connect the wire to the resistor, and then what was Oh, yeah. Shining Pearl, and it looks like a picture twig. What was November me thinking? Why did you... B-Lover, when you played... What do you mean November me? Did you play? Or, like, did you pick something else in November? Or did you, like, just decide not to play in November? Have you played Diamond and Pearl before? Because I know Honeydrew hasn't. I thought we did. I just feel a little betrayed. November, bee lover is all about Piplup or Infernape. I don't know. More tape. Oh, sweet. What was your first design project? Putting something up on the fridge reminds me of, like, I don't even know how to say it. Just like wanting my family to acknowledge my artistisms. The one with the panics. Oh, sweet. That's pretty dope. How far can we get in here? We need as much length on the black cable as we can get. So a little deeper. Give me the length! Stretch it out. Please. Yeah, no. We're just gonna be safe. We're just gonna be safe and cut it where we can see it. Expose the wire. Whoop. I'm working on my last project this week. So excited to be done with this. Aren't we all? God. Once May the 4th is over, I don't have too many things to worry about when it comes to lightsabers. So that's going to be a little relaxing, I hope. I don't know what it is about the school semester. It's just stressful. Period. Oh. Okay. Let's do this. And then let's do this. Alright, now that we have both the wires exposed, we can merge them, combine the cables, make sure the contacts are making contact, and then we will bind them forever. Sand gem? Oh wait, do you not like Turtwig, Bee Lover? Turtwig's my favorite out of the three. Although, all three of those starters from Sinnoh are pretty sick, actually, because Chimchar's pretty cool, Piplup's pretty cool, Turtwig is my favorite. Do you not like Turtwig? Are you sad that you picked Turtwig? What do you mean, like, what do you mean, what Turtwig? Lucas showing me how to catch Bidoof. Yeah, because, oh, he got COVID a few weeks ago. Had to make up for about a month's worth of work. Oh my god! I hate school, man. I hate school. I hate it. It's just like, oh, you're sick? Well, you're gonna have to catch up. It's like, there's no, I don't know. There's no moving of the goalpost. That's true. Chimchar is putting his fight. Chimchar is. There's only like 4 other fire types in that gen. One of them being Magmortar. Unlike, I mean, if you're cool with a Magmar, but like still, I don't think you even find that until later. Then Ponyta. Fire types are definitely in low abundance. They're not in abundance. Oh yeah, before we move forward, let's put batteries in it and make sure that it actually works. The fire type rep on its back. There's not even any other good fire types in that gen. Is there a fire type from that gen specifically? It is Magmortar, isn't it? Ooh. Pew, 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 pew. We got it working. Oh, that's nice. Having personal goals is always a good thing too. It's always good that like they're understanding, especially with these times. I haven't been to school since then, but like I know that when I was going through school, there was no there was no you know, what's the word? There's no halfway, there's no whatever. No understanding. Just do work. Get A. Or else you fail. No more scholarship. Like, oh no. Yeah, it's just Ponytown Rapidash. Your professors actually care about your growth? What a concept. That's a lie. That doesn't exist. That exists as much as there are fire types in Gen 4. Yeah. There's so many toxic traits. Younger me wishes we had that. There's so many toxic traits we had when we were younger. Like, so many weird expectations and, like, societal norms. And nowadays it's like, oh, those are actually toxic and we probably shouldn't be practicing them. And it's like, cool. Where was that when I was a kid? Or at least where was that when I was in college? Like, what? Hey, we got it working. Pew, 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 pew. We got more cotton balls. I was so ready to pick Chimchar, but November me said no. Come on, dude. Gigantamax Torterra. Detective Pikachu Torterra. Like, that's so cool. Yeah, there's not really any fire types. Wait. Didn't Chandelure come out? Chandelure's in Diamond and Pearl, right? No, is it black and white? Ugh. Chandelure's black and white. Chandelure's black and white. Ah. I do love Chandelure. So many, especially at Unova. Yeah, it is black and white. Litwick! The boy, Litwick. Yeah, dude, so many college professors. I remember there was this one college professor that was like, hey, send me an email if you need any help. And I sent them an email, and then like a week after the thing was due, they were like, oh, so what do you need help with? I was like, the assignment's done. I already got a C. There's no help that you can provide me except for like, oh, I just rhymed. Except for like, giving me not a C, I guess. I already got a C. There's no help you can provide me. Does Starly learn Sand Attack? Sand Attack MVP. I think so. Right? I feel like every bird learns Sand Attack. I could be wrong, for sure. It's just a feeling. I think I need to hide the white cable a little better. Oh well. C14, call that a dub. This is the ignition sound. Can you imagine if lightsabers, whenever you turn them on, it was like this? What other sounds do I have right now? What is this?
Hello there. Hello there. Hello there.
Stupid. Alright, C13? Crap. 5 times Sand Attack always wins. Oh, unless they have like Aerial Ace or C14. Nice. Unless they have aerial ace or some sort of accuracy fixing move. C14 green. C14. C14 green. Alright, in the past 2 days, we've fixed quite a bit of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, cool! We fixed 4 Sabers today. Granted, 2 of them were just low batteries, but we take the dubs when we can. Is that a dub still? Hold on. Let's throw another cotton ball in there. I wish I had a smaller cotton ball. This is the best I could do to see if it's working or not. The light is consistent. It is not flickering. Well, consider that one fixed. The black saber. I think this will be the last saber to fix today. Whoop. Ah. Last saber to fix, call it a stream. Go to sleep, have some dreams. What is the issue with you, little saber? Is it a resistor problem again? No, it's not. Huh. Things connected on that end. Any nicks over here? No nicks. What is your... Oh, it's this. The problem is the switch. I forgot. That's the problem. That is a shame. That is a shame. The problem is the switch. We need to replace the switch. So, do I have a working switch? I don't know. I actually don't think I have a working switch. If that's the issue, we can't fix it. Because we would need to replace the switch itself. The switch is also broken. God damn. Oh. This is a working switch. The only problem is that it's blue. A blue switch on a red saber is kind of awkward. Do we have another switch, please? Please? No? Please? This one also doesn't work. We need more switches. Lame. Oh, what is this? This is sort of a working switch, it's just kind of dead. Huh. I wonder if we can Frankenstein the switch or something. This is how I open switches. We shove our pliers into this tiny gap here, and we just pull it forward. Oh. Well. Okay. Can we remove this? What is wrong with you, switch? Show me your issues, and then I will try to remedy them. Eh. Oh. Whatever. Can we just pull it aside? Oh, there you go. it just comes off. Huh. This definitely works, doesn't it? Can we just push it up? Look at all these empty red hilts that we have now. Give me batteries. Give me batteries. 2, 3, 4. 4 batteries. I would love if we could just keep this the way it is. Yeah, it definitely works. We got 4 batteries. The problem is that the switch itself is just, it looks like this. It doesn't have a guard, and there's no way to properly mount it on the Saber. That sucks. So what the heck? What? What is this soldering job? Who did this? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I mean, I get... No. That's dumb. Generally, you have the two going forward. You shouldn't have it like bent like that. That causes a kink and can break right there. That's not good. Not in my opinion, at least. I don't know. Why would you do that? Oh, how unfortunate. The switch works. It's just that there's no guard for the switch. Huh. 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 Can I replace this? Yo? Yo? No. Yo? 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 Hold up. Hold up. Did we just fix everything? Did we just solve the problem? Is this... What? Yo? Yo, we just... You can replace it. That's crazy. That's awesome. So if I could just remove this and then put it somewhere else, is that a solution? This is the anatomy of a switch. That's a lot of random stuff. I'm gonna keep this intact. Hopefully I don't drop everything right now. And then in the future, we can use this knowledge to fix other switches, hopefully. Okay. Huh. It totally works. What about this? What's wrong with you? Can we just swap this one again? No, we need a it's kind of insane that this worked. Can I just do this? Can I just glue this on here? That'd be hilarious. I mean, it should be, actually. It should be able to work. Oh, there you go. Ah. So yeah, the problem with this is that the plastic just snapped and then it sunk into the Saber. So you couldn't press the on and off switch. Huh. I mean, if we glue it, it'll work, right? Nah, I don't want to. It could get stuck to the button itself. Oh well. We'll leave that for another day. Let's tape it, though. We can tape it. And just use the innards for something else later. Or not. Hold on. Yeah. That is a future question. Right now, we need to figure out how to put this back into the Saber. Anger. Who pushed you out of the GTS? The GTS doesn't work anymore, right? Or are they shutting it off at the end of the year? I forgot. The global trading system. You trying to get a Gibble? 20 minutes in the game? You trying to get failed 5IV Pokemon? Dishonored 5IV Pokemon. God. What do we even do? I mean, we could cut these. And then just extend that. No, I need to cut the red wire. I need to cut the red wire. Yeah, I need to cut the red wire. I also have a freedom of which hilt to use. I don't know. Oh, that one's nice. I have 4 different black hilts that we can shove it into. Give me a second. Let me look at the other hilts that we picked. Ah. Yeah. So like that. We'll fix this one because it has a partner. The other ones do not have a partner. Sorry. Huh. Weird. All right, so let's just cut the reds and then extend the reds, right? And then we'll just connect them again. Is that the play? Is that the play? Where do we extend it? Huh, I don't know. Let's just cut this right here. Ooh. Then we'll cut this right here, I guess. We do still need to extend it a little bit. That sucks. So I guess we'll just do this. We'll extend it right there. Let's grab the red. Where's the red? Red wires. Hello? There you are. There's my other roll of E-tape. Oh, this is orange, not red, but still. Let's go at least that far. All right, let's try this out. We're gonna expose the wire, combine the cables, intertwine like fate the contacts of the cables. Place the B connector on it. Need at least 3 of them. Cool. We'll do this. We're gonna crush the cables. And now it is an extra long cable. At least that is the intention. Expose this wire. Cool. Expose this wire. Is this gonna work? Can we do it this way? Oh no, it has to come the other way. Oh no, it's not gonna work with the saber. Uh-oh. We might have to use the other saber. Or just cut this and make it really long. Or we could just cut it normally. Huh? We don't have to cut anything crazy. Let's try that. The more we cut, the more sketchy this gets. Alright. This might be a little weird. We got the cable through on this side. Let's do this. Hopefully there's still enough space. Do this. Merge. Fusion. Combine. We may have screwed ourselves with this one, but hopefully not. Okay, so we got this here. That there. Rather, there you go. Uh-oh. Okay, we still have enough space to be doing stuff like this. Still have enough space to be doing stuff like this. That's good, that's good. Let's remove the batteries, just in case we don't want to get electrocuted. So hopefully, we shove it this way. Shove this through here. There you go. Catch it. Oh! Oh! Oh, we got it. Alright, now I just need to push the switch through, and then we'll be good. No! No! It broke. Well, there's no coming back from that. The switch itself is broken. Well, if we have a working bottom part, we can use that. This one's not broken. That sucks. All that work for nothing. This one's broken. Lame. Okay. This one kind of still works. Right. We're gonna try this again. We're gonna do the switch first this time. We're undoing this. Do I have another switch that's working? Yeah. Oh, this one is working. Hey. Might as well just use this then, huh? I'd rather not. Maybe. I'd rather not. If I can't slide it through, I don't want to cut it again. So can we do this? Is it too short? It's kind of short. No. Huh. Okay. Oh, we got a raid? What the heck? No way. I be Dustin, thank you. Are you a fan of lightsabers? We are trying to make lightsabers work today. How's it going, everybody? We have May the 4th coming up. Therefore, we need sabers to work. Therefore, we are... what's it called? Repairing, sorry. We're repairing some sabers. This is the last saber we are repairing today. I just had some issues. The switch just broke. So we need to find another switch and then fix it. But yeah, how's it going? How's everyone's night? My name is Suta Inkairi. Welcome to Inkairi Inc. Revenge of the 5th is soon too. Revenge of the 5th. Revenge of the 5th. I'm gonna be drunk on someone's couch, I think. At least I hope so. If not, then I guess the force isn't strong with me. But yeah. Wow. I'm also part of a club called the Society of Lightsaber Duelists, which is why I have so many sabers with me today. I don't own all of these sabers. I actually own more, but these sabers are the club's. So I am fixing them so that my club has materials to use for our performance. Check them out at Society of Lightsaber Duelists, UNLV. It's a pretty cool group. Don't know if anybody lives in Nevada, but New Type Sith. I've never heard of him. New Type Sith is a dope name though. I love that name. That name is sick. New Type Sith. I mean, I guess, okay. I thought it was a pun for a second. It wasn't a pun. It's just New Type and Sith. But New Type, it sounds like New Type shit. And I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. Honey, what are you doing? I'm doing New Type shit. Glowing green and, not getting in the robot. Any point of view is welcome. Thank you for dropping by. I really appreciate the raid. you have any questions or just want to hang, feel free. We can also do...
Hello there. Hello there.
Sorry. We have a limited soundboard. But yeah, welcome to the stream. We're chilling. We got some lo-fi music. We have a giant mess on my desk right now. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing right now. That's gonna be me in 2 days. Drunk on somebody's couch. But yeah, if anybody would like to know any more of what I'm doing, just ask and I'll explain every bit of what I'm doing right now. Right now I don't know. We need to start from how a flashlight works, but yeah. Right now I'm doing some I guess this is kind of unnecessary, isn't it? Ooh, wood burning? I think it was a play on words, but he's still all about sabers and stuff. Any type of Star Wars stuff. Oh, that's sick! You make logos and stuff? Is your buddy New Type Sith? That's what they do? Wood burning? Oh, you do the ordering. Oh, he's the saber dude, and you're the wood burning. Have you made any Star Wars themed plaques or anything? That was the first thing that came to my mind. Hours and 27 minutes until it's time to take my final. Oh god. Break a leg. And everybody's been breaking. Oh well, I guess it is the end of the semester. Lots of stress been going around. You can feel it in the air. What do you wood burn, IB Dustin? I need to start doing more stuff on this side of the Twitch. End of college semester is here. Yeah, it is. It's like winter is coming. Except it's summer. Still think the mountains need a werewolf. Oh, is this not gonna work? Is this not gonna work? Cram Fu is the name of the game. We gotta get these wires to the opposite ends. Do one at a time. If it snaps, then we're screwed. I really hate the way the switches are designed for this thing. They're so big, they're so long. They take up all the space. So, if we just do... Oh, okay. Design, scenes, faces. Ooh. That sounds really cool. Every single wood burning thing I've seen has also been really cool. So I just assume this is gonna be awesome. You got a Instagram page I could look or anything like that? Oh. Drop your tag first. Or is it only in a Twitch? Is all your work on Twitch? Appreciate the raid though. Thank you. IB Dustin on IG. Ooh. I'm gonna be sure to follow it. As soon as I get this thing through, I'm trying some weird convoluted stuff and it's not working. Same on TikTok. Nice. Yeah. All my handles are in Kyrie Inc. This was definitely a lot more complicated. Oh! Thank you! Thank you for the follow, man. The raid and the follow, bro. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Hypes. We got hype horns for the hypes. Oh god, no. It's too thick, man. It's too thick. Oh my god. No, it's too thick. I'm gonna need to push things in the right direction. Oh my god. Lurk. Oh, thanks you. There's always an issue with this. Oh, there you go. We did it. No, don't get into the wrong place again. So much wires. Okay. Now we just need to get that wire in there. Oh, well, that's great. Got this one out. Got this one in. The 2B connectors are facing somewhat the right directions. I just need to get this one through. This is so scuffed. Oh no, it's working. Let's go. Convoluted solutions. We have the wire coming out of both sides. Now we can test it real quick. Just to double check, because there's a good chance that I totally just bent everything. You can ask them why are they going the wrong place? That's a good one. I haven't heard that one before. That's awesome. I love puns. Puns are good here. You get a wow. I'm gonna use that from now on. Why are they going the wrong place? Of course, this one has to be 4 AAAs. Alright, we're just making contact. So, if we do this, we plug in the batteries. If we plug in the batteries, there is also a chance that when I push the switch in, it'll crimp the cables and then it'll break the connection again. But we're just gonna hope that it works. So if we make contact, everything else making contact, it's making. Oh, it works. All right. All right, we are progressing. Let's go. All right. And also because I'm annoying, we're just gonna do this real quick. Nope. No, we're just gonna leave it there. I don't want to risk breaking it. Oh, why are wires so delicate? Why are you so delicate? Stealing jokes, trying to change them up. Beaver Empire? Where do you grow your beaver empire? Who needs sleep? I'll sleep when I'm dead. I could unscrew this somehow. I don't know if I would recommend it. Where to grow beaver empires? Is this the Minecraft thing? Oh, Timberborn. It's basically Beaver's city building game. That sounds actually a lot of fun. You make a dam that's really... Can you make a successful dam? Is that like... Is that the main... Is that the main purpose? Like, dam building? If Minecraft added beavers, it'd be amazing. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if they would, because they already have axolotls, and that was already, like, surprising to me. I was like, oh man, that's such a specific animal. I'm surprised they don't have beavers yet. It would also be a troll mod if they ate wood houses. That'd be hilarious. I would love that, actually. Beavers for Minecraft 2023. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it there. We're not gonna mess with it. Let's test it out again. Just sure. People would tilt. Oh man. Beavers are non-hostile, but they will eat your wood. Why not? Alright, test number 2. I pushed the switch all the way in. So hopefully, okay. So the wires on the switch are still working, so that's a good sign. Now, I need to get this wire through the Saber. And then we're done. And then we're gonna call it a night. I fixed, so this would be the 5th Saber I fixed on the stream. This would be the 5th Saber I fixed on the stream. And this is the hardest one I've done. It's always the last one that takes a lot of time. I need something. I need a straw. I need a stick of some sort. Or no, there's a lot of space in here. Okay. So let's take out the batteries again. Don't want to get electrocuted. Although I'm pretty sure it wouldn't electrocute me. If we stick the stick through. Yes, we are able to stick the stick through. So since we stick the stick through, you can stick the stick. You can grab some tape. And then tape the end of this cable to the end of the stick. Bam! There you go. And then if we pull the stick, we pull the cable. Let's go. We did it. Alright, cool. Now we're just like 4 steps away from the Saber being fully operational again. Oh no! Okay. Alright, let's combine these, and then we'll pull this. We'll pull the wire on the other side. It's just, these cables are just short enough that if I don't have everything fully pulled, it won't come out the other side. Yeah, we're just gonna combine these. Give me another B clip. I need 2 B clips. I'm a believer that they should be added to the game. Beaver, BV, believer. I do think beavers would be sick. Can you imagine if you tamed beavers in Minecraft? And then, like, they would just deposit wood into a random box or something? That'd be kind of sick. Is that slave labor, though? Is that not allowed? I don't know. I mean, if you don't force them to do it, they just do it because they want to. That'd be kind of sick. Alright, there you go. Now, everything is connected. All we need to do is connect the positive and the negative to the LED, and we're done. Can you imagine if they made beavers a hostile mob? Yo, what if beavers in Minecraft stole your wood, right? And then they shot it back at you as a projectile? Can you imagine hostile wood blocks flying at you? Oh, we got Bacon Plays Games? What's up? Welcome back. We are almost done with our last Saber. This one was a hassle to fix. We are currently talking about beavers in Minecraft. Would that be a cool idea? Yay or nay? Julius Beaver and I are on the side of it being a cool idea. Just more things. Just add anything into Minecraft. I think it'd be a good idea. Or at least any animal, at the very least. I don't know if I can't think of any animal I wouldn't want to be added into Minecraft. Lions. Lions. Tigers. Bears. Oh, hippo. I thought you were going to say bears. Are bears? Bears are already in Minecraft, right? No, they're not. Are they? I haven't played Minecraft since the Xbox 360 version. No bears. It's unbearable to think that I would suggest bears. All right, I think that's it. Oh man, I hope I didn't jinx myself. There are polar bears? Oh, that's kind of cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to sleep after this. Maybe. Yeah, because I have broken the other switches, so... Well, I don't know if I broke... The switches are broken. I would need to find other switches in order to fix some other sabers. But yeah, in total, if I fix this between today and yesterday, we have fixed 11 sabers. So that is pretty successful, I think. Although some of them are a little questionable on how I fixed them. But yeah, real quick, last test before I start shoving everything again. I'm doing like 4 tests. This is just a simple stunt saber, which is no different than a battery or than a flashlight. But I'm also very cautious about it. These things get smashed against each other all the time, so there's a good chance that they could break or bend or flex, so that would cause a short in the wire. What kind of mortal chooses to go to sleep at this hour? Do you want to sleep? Yeah. I do have work tomorrow. It does kind of suck. Why do we live in a society? Why society live? Why do we even? Go cry. I am in Pacific Standard Time. Right? Pacific Standard Time. I am in America, Pacific Standard Time. So right now the time is 1 a.m. It is almost 1 a.m. Which time zone? Yep. But I have school tomorrow. I guess it's still reasonable to sleep there. What time zone do you sleep? Rookie numbers. Gotta pump those numbers up. East Coast, and it's nearly 4 a.m. Oh, cool. I don't know if I've really been in the East Coast. The most East Coast I've ever been is South Dakota. North Dakota, South Dakota, Georgia. I sleep at 2 a.m. 2 a.m.'s not a bad sleeping time, right? 2 a.m.'s not bad, is it? By the time I finish showering and stuff, I think I'm going to be sleeping at 2 a.m. Pew, 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 pew. Wake up at 6 a.m. 4 hours of sleep. That's okay. 4 hours of sleep. You can survive on 4 hours of sleep, right? I kind of do, sort of. I survive enough that I'm able to drive to work without crashing. Tape. I need tape. Oh yeah, that one time. I think I remember that. You had like an exam or something the next day, didn't you? Bacon? Oh, I just stayed up playing on my phone. Hey man. Sometimes under your blanket's the only safety you can get. I mean, yeah, you did lack sleep, so of course your brain malfunctioning is pretty reasonable, I think. Ooh, what's Frank? Who is Frank? Or are you just being Frank? Frank is the name of my favorite Furby. I actually keep batteries in? That's cool. I haven't seen a Furby in so long. That's kind of... Are you okay? 4 a.m. and your Furby's like, hey, feed me. I'd freak out if that happened while I was asleep. I have a dog and a Rowlet. Oh, that's cute. Is a Rowlet like an actual bird? I only know Rowlet as the Pokemon. That's my secret, Cap. I'm always sleep deprived. Oh, Pokemon. It's an owl. Yes, Rowlet is an owl. Alright, let's get some more cotton balls in here. Just one more, I think will be good. Cotton ball wise. Cool. Let's get some Velcro. I hope they remanufacture another set of Furbies. I love them so much, but I hope they go back to their original Tiger Electronics. Oh, what's wrong with the new ones? My bro has a gorilla hedgehog and a Bulbasaur. What do you mean? What are these Pokemon? Oh, he 100% turns on you. You're asleep. Oh, that's kind of creepy. He 100% turns on while you're asleep. Oh, man. The new ones are less chaotic. Less chaotic by like what? Like they just turn on predictable times of the day? I had a huge Pikachu. Like a plushie? A plushie Pikachu? This Velcro is not working. It is dead. There's the Velcro. Oh no. Don't you just hate it when your family sells your stuff? My uncle had an Atari, and my aunt just sold it without him knowing. And he's like, "Yo, that thing's like $300 now. What are you doing?" Or more. I don't even know how much. Back then, when he told me the story, it was like $300, but now it's probably way more. You should hear a Furby through though when it's on. Oh god, I think I have heard a Furby in low battery before. It's just like kind of slow and deeper, right? Does sound very creepy. No, I don't use it anyway. Oh. Yeah, I mean, like, if you don't use a plushie, it's kind of just taking up a lot of space. Yeah, the Furbies. Shake, 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 shake. Alright, I guess that's it. This is a fixed Saber. The Furby Connect model is my second favorite iteration of them. Connect? What does it connect to? Your phone? We have a working Saber here, y'all. This is C10. It is a red Saber. Though that is a little concerning that the button just popped out. But as long as the button works, it should be fine. And a companion app that also discontinued for no longer gets updates. That sucks. Was it not successful? Did people not like it? What could you do with the companion app for a Furby? Did you like feed it digital things? Alright, we got this. This one's working. C10, red. C10, red. Awesome. This is a list of the sabers we fixed over the past 2 days. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have passed the 10 saber mark. We've definitely been very productive over the last 2 days in the course of 4 hours of just straight up saber repairs. That's pretty good. Now the only problem is, the question is, how long will these sabers be working? Will they die immediately? Or will they work for another year or two? You just interact with the Furby and such. Furbies get brought back into production, they just get discontinued again. Oh, that's weird. Is it like... It sounds like a meme, where a meme is relevant, and then like it dies, and then it becomes relevant again. Last time Furbies were manufacturers were in 2018? Oh, that's not too long ago. But it does feel like long enough that they would start manufacturing them again. That sounds kind of cool. There are always slightly different updates when there are always slightly different updates when they get rebought back. Huh. Gotta bring them into the future, right? Furby updates. What are Furby updates anyway? Do you like change the way that they look? Can I swap this? We're not touching that. We're not touching that, at least. Let's try and remove this. No. It is not working. We're not going to do that. Like changes to the functionality and features. Oh! Not all Furbies are battery operated though, right? Like some of them are just straight plushies. Let's just put a red sticker on here. Maybe that'll work. More responsive, I guess? What other functionality would change for a Furby? Also, how do you feed a Furby if it doesn't have a companion app? Or do all Furbies have a companion app? They just know. Furbies have intelligence. They will rise up. Oh. Do I ever build my sabers from scratch? Define scratch. Because we do have some empty hilts here. I don't make hilts, if that's what you're wondering. Although, it wouldn't be too hard for me to... It would not be hard for me to, grab just like a PVC pipe and then drill a hole. Because, that wouldn't be too hard. As long as the inner diameter is like 1 inch, I could probably build a saber from scratch. But when it comes to like electronics and stuff, I will definitely need at least some form of pre-manufactured stuff, like a soundboard, speakers and stuff like that. There's a lot of things I can build a saber in a lot of ways. Stunt sabers are the ones that I've done the most because they break a lot. No, they don't break a lot. So the thing is that I'm part of a club called the Society of Lightsaber Duelists. We perform and choreograph lightsaber fights for stage performances and events. So because of that, we have a ton of sabers. And they're mostly just stunt sabers, no sound. These things get used a lot. And we also live in a very hot, deserty place. So the batteries or the wires, they degrade really fast. So I end up repairing a lot of stunt sabers. And we have May the 4th coming up, so we need as many sabers to work as possible. So... Oh! Thanks for the follow, Casper. I really appreciate it. Thinking of making one out of clear PVC. Yo, that sounds sick. I love clear things. Do you ever build your own sabers? Just change... It just says, I'm hungry. Frank is 1999 Autumn Limited Edition Furby, so he isn't as advanced. That's kind of what's the point of the if it just says it's hungry? Well, I mean, does it and so that it just says it's hungry once every couple hours and that's it? Like, do you just have to imaginatively feed them and then just say it's good, it's not hungry anymore? Or like, is it just like a random alarm that just chirps and says that it's hungry, but you can't do anything about it? I'm thinking about making... So, about the clear PVC Saber, one thing I know that I will always need to do is buy a blade from somewhere. Because I can't make blades. Blades are like made out of... What are they made out of? Polycarbonate? Most blades are made out of polycarbonate. At least the dual ones that I'm used to using. The ones for dueling. Give me a second. They have blades like this. Although this one's a kind of a light... A cheap, thin... This is a thin grade blade. Thin blade. Some blade ASMR. But yeah, most blades are made out of acrylic and I can't make the blade itself. So, you would need to buy the blade from somewhere. So because you need to buy the blade, you need to make sure that the inner diameter of your PVC pipe is 1 inch. Because the majority of compatible blades from multiple different types of manufacturers, they're 1 inch blades. So this is the one thing that you have to buy from somebody, is a blade. And then probably all the other parts too, like an LED. You need to buy an LED. You need to get a battery pack that fits inside of your hilt, and then you need a resistor and a switch. But when it comes to a switch and resistors, you can find those. But LEDs, you need like a special housing that's 1 inch diameter so that you could shove it into a hilt. And then you need a battery case. And depending on what battery you use will change the difficulty of finding battery packs. Because this is like a 2 AA battery pack, and it's been really hard for me to find one of these. These are all battery packs that I've had since like 2016, but I can't find them anymore. So I've been like trying other replacements. Like this looks good and all, but it doesn't fit. It's too thick because it's not rounded. So this is the closest thing to a replacement of a AA battery pack that I can find, and like it's too thick. It's literally like 2 millimeters too thick to fit inside of the Saber because it is not rounded. Well, that's actually a lot of space. That's I need it. Yesterday's stream, I actually spent like 30 minutes chopping the edge off and seeing if it would still work, which it does, but that's a lot of work in order to make it fit. So, yeah. The way that, I'm thinking of making one. The way they have the durability of Schedule 40 PVC, you can make whatever color you want. Oh, are you just making are you making a Saber without electronics? The old Tiger Electronics Furby has a phrase bank. You could say basically had a phrase bank that you can say basically, but it's very unpredictable in my experience. It activates off of a sound basically, which makes it extra terrifying when it goes off in your sleep. Oh, so it has like microphones, and then it randomly speaks when it hears something. That's what triggers the sounds. That's kind of creepy. Oh man, you know what? You need to put a bunch of those at your front entrance, and then if a burglar comes in, they're gonna be greeted with a thunderous reply of Furbies, and then the burglar will run away in terror. Clear schedule clear schedule 40 PVC pipe. They all have different sizes. Mauser Electronics is where I get most of my electronic parts. Ooh. If I can find battery packs, that would save me a lot. That'd save a lot of that would be very helpful for me, because I cannot find battery packs. You have the lights inside the pipe, acts like a fiber optics. This one, Well, these sabers are just like flashlights, and then the blades are just durable acrylic, or not acrylic, polycarbonate. So these are dueling blades. We've had a couple members in the past that had LED strips go through the blade, but every single one of them has broken. We had a member this semester who said that it was a NeoPixel blade, and it had the dueling grade plastic around it, but after 4 practices, that blade was unable to turn on anymore. So, at the very least, when it comes to dueling, if you're going to be smacking these sabers against other sabers, I'm not the type of guy who puts LED strips through the blade. What is this? Mauser Electronics. Mauser Electronics. Ooh, I need to get into all this stuff. I used to be super into soundboards, wiring and different electronics and stuff, and then I kind of fell out of it around 2015. The Tiger Electronics are the most basic original model that was created from 1998 to 2001. The ones from 2005 were cool too, because they had Tiger phrases to do certain things. Oh, trigger phrases. Oh, so like they would reply to you if you said something specific. That'd be kind of cool. It's a lot better than like them waking you up in the middle of the night. That's kind of because that in my head that's terrifying. I wouldn't want a Furby like. Can you imagine if it knocks something over too? Furbies don't like move too much. They flap their wings, don't they? Do they flap their? I know they blink and they move their mouth, but I don't remember if they flap wings or not. 40 PVC pipe. 40 PVC pipe. Oh yeah, these are normal pipes, right? Dual rated pipe. Yeah, so the one thing about a Saber hilt is that you need the inner diameter of the pipe to be 1 inch. Or at least in my experience, because I want everything to be compatible with blades. But, you know, if you're doing the whole thing, if you're customizing the whole thing yourself, then I guess it doesn't matter what the thing is. Because that's my only piece of advice, is that if you want to use polycarbonate blades from other manufacturers, you should have the inner diameter be 1 inch. Furbies don't have an off button. To turn them off, you need to remove their batteries. They go to sleep when there's nothing happening around them, but even in empty rooms, they decide to wake up sometimes. That's kind of scary. Oh man, they just want attention, you know. So whether it's kind of demonic or not, they're gonna do it. It's not demonic, it's just kind of creepy. There's a reason why people are... Is there a word for fear of Furbies? Furby-phobia? Furby-phobia? That'd be kind of crazy. Friends of Furby Gizmo Toys is awesome. The Friends of Furby Gizmo Toys. Oh, what? Huh. What is that? Idea was to fill the pipe with resin after I put the LEDs in place. So the problem with like filling up, the blade's gonna be really heavy, depending on what resin you use. But the thing about that is that I'm not sure how the vibrations would work. If it's like shock absorbing resin, I think that'd be really good. But if not, any form of non-shock absorption would be bad for a lightsaber, because all that shock will travel through your components. And then like the wires you use are generally pretty thin. So if the constant like vibrations snap one of the wires, you're gonna have to get in there and fix it, just like I'm doing right now. That's why I throw a bunch of cotton balls between all the components, because all the components shake around a lot when you're using it. but like the cotton balls act as pillows, so that when they're smacking around and then they stop, they slow down and like get caught by the cushion instead of like hitting something with a hard force. Friends of Furry line of toys that basically were Furby toys that were skinned to look like something from a different franchise. The Gizmo Friends of Furby toy is Gizmo from the Gremlins. Ah, I thought so. I remember those things came out around the same time. You know, the only other thing that I remember from that time period is Trolls. Oh, you did say something about Trolls earlier, didn't you? Someone said something about Trolls. Oh no, you were saying that beavers. It would be trolly if beavers were mobs in in Minecraft. Well, it's time to make a Furby lightsaber, I guess. You can get a custom soundboard and then put Furby sounds in there. Mauser Electronics. Lights is clear schedule 40. Clear. PVC pipe supplies. Furby learn English as you talk to them and speak less Furbish and more English. That's kind of funny. Yeah, Furbies are cool. Yeah, when I was younger, my grandma and my mom loved Beanie Babies. But because they had so many Beanie Babies, they also just had Furbies as well. Also, my grandma was really into collecting, like, McDonald's toys. And then there was this one time there was a bunch of Furbies for the toy line. So we just had a bunch of McDonald's Furbies in our house at one point. 3, 4 empty hills. We have 4. What's wrong with these? I'll look at them. Yeah, both McDonald's and Burger King had Furby toys at various times throughout history. Was it more than once? I only remember it happening once. Not that it only happened once, but that's all my memory remembers. God. All these random components. I'm gonna have to spend a lot of time organizing these at some point. Trash, 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 trash. Look up a picture of him. What would they do? Furby. Happy Meal? Happy Meal. 2013? Oh, they're plastic. Oh, I remember these, yeah. Oh, some of them are furry, right? No, this is plastic too. Oh, somebody put a Furby head on a Fortnite doll. What the heck is this? McFurbies. Oh man. A long Furby? The heck is that? That's awesome. Long Furbies, huh? Oh my god, what is... Oh god. This looks like something from Spore. Long Furby. Burger King. Oh god. That one looks scary. That one looks like it's questioning its life. Welcome to the world of Furby. Oh my god. The normal ones are fluffy, right? Yeah, the normal ones are fluffy. Oh my god. What happened here? They just cut it in half. Oh my god. What did they do to this guy? Oh, they water pressured cut it in half? They cut it in half using water pressure? What the heck?
For all of you that hate Furbies, you're welcome. Okay.
Wow. Oh, this thing has like a has LEDs for eyes. That's kind of cool. Ooh, Furby skulls. Is this one of the newest Furbies? Oh, it's dead. No, they murdered it. I can't full screen it. That sucks. It's the most recent Furby. I feel so bad for it. Oh my god. It looks like it's crying. Oh my god. Oh, this is horrible. This is horrible. Yeah, I'm done. Don't look at that. You can see the end result here at least. Yeah, watching that was kind of hard. This is a murder. Yeah, that was a little We got PVC pipes. We got Mauser electronics. Furby skulls. And now Google's gonna be recommending things to me. Or is it? Oh! That's kind of cool. Are they tiny like the Furbies are? Or are they big? What the Furby skulls, huh? Are there any Furbies that actually have the Furby skulls inside of them? Google's never gonna let me live this one down. Switches. I'll probably look through this later. Electromechanical. Ooh. Switches. Are any battery holders? I need battery holders. Battery holders. Passive components. No, it's just something people decided to make. You know what people want? Furby skulls. Because if Furbies weren't scary enough, we'll make skulls out of them. Makes me wonder if like a Furby witch doctor exists now. Oh, I'm surprised one doesn't exist. I mean, it's got a hat. Special limited edition autumn furry with a witch hat. Huh. The most expensive Furby toy is the Witch's Cat Furby. Oh. Is that the one I was just looking at? Witch's Cat. Oh, this one? Huh. Was it super limited or something? There's something about like the prices of antiques that are super interesting. Like how much somebody would spend for something that's really old, but because you can't find it anymore, that's why it's so expensive. No, the one with the witch hat is autumn 1999. Oh, that's funny. We made it full circle. Frank is the one that I was just looking at. That's cool. Frank, the witch Furby. Frank Furby. Frank and Furby. Power, batteries, battery holders. Do you have what I need? My God, it's just a bunch of lists. This is gonna require some scrubbing when I have more time. Keystone, battery cluster, pictures, battery holders. Battery cell type AA. Battery holders AA. Might do AAA. Two batteries. Two batteries, please. Two batteries. Oh, 450. I would have expected it to be a little more expensive. Then again, how much were these things when they on retail? They were like 10, 20 bucks. How much is the new Furby retail? Is this it? I think this is one. Oh, this is what I'm using. Yeah, this is what I have. It's not working. This sucks. It's so hard to find battery packs. Oh, 250,000 of them made, so in theory it wouldn't be that rare. Oh, okay. That's cool. $250,000 Furbies. Right now, I'm just I've been opening a lot of Pokemon cards recently. I used to be really into Pokemon cards back in 2019, but then like the past 2 years happened, and now Pokemon cards are like all over the place, and I got back into it. And it's kind of insane to see. Oh yeah, I love 18650 batteries. Those things are awesome. 18650 batteries are some of my favorite things. For Sabers. Does this one work? No, this one's not working. Oh, hold on, let me get some. Really good things on the Sabers. Where did I put my 18650? Oh, there you are. Oy. Okay, so Oh, but yeah, to finish my Pokemon thing is that it's always interesting to think about how expensive things get just because they don't exist anymore or because they're so rare. And then it's kind of funny for Pokemon because like the current rare Pokemon cards, like people are using them in tournaments, so they lose their value. So it makes it makes things even more scarce because they exist, but they're being used because they're made to be used. But yeah, this is a cheap Chinese lightsaber that I got that I actually think is a pretty good value. It was only like, it was less than $100 and I got 2 of them. And together I think I only spent like 160, 180. But oh, maybe it's broken. Oh no. Oh no. Don't be broken, please. You break on stream? That's not cool, man. Sometimes the contacts fold out of place, so there's no battery contact, which does kind of suck sometimes. Oh, now it's working. Now it's 4:27 a.m. Oh god, yeah, I should probably call it a stream soon. But yeah, if you don't want to spend too much money, there are these random Chinese sabers that are pretty good. You don't even have to ever open them because there's a charger port outside, and then you could just plug it in like that. They also have 2700. Oh my god, 2700. This is the last saber with sound that I customized, but it's not working currently. I don't know what's wrong with it. There's a short, or one of the cables got disconnected for sure. But yeah, I've been doing something like this and then trying to have like a bunch of disconnects. Was it working? But yeah, there's definitely a short in here somewhere and like something's not working. But yeah, that kind of sucks. This is the last saber with sound that I've tried to build. It definitely worked back in Oh, it's working. It just randomly turns off, which sucks. But yeah, this is the last custom saber I've built, and yeah, it turns off now. But yeah, there's a short in here somewhere, and I have not had any time to put in the effort to figure it out. But this is this is the last like fully custom saber that I've built, fully custom, with the tape and then the custom pommel and the custom. I say custom, but like I just randomly found these parts and put them together. But yeah, that one doesn't work anymore. I mean, it works, but only in short spurts. And then I have this, which is only like an $80 saber that I literally bought from Amazon. And then it has a bunch of sound effects and 1, 2. It can cycle through colors, which is my favorite feature. So you can be spinning the saber, and while you're spinning the saber, the colors will change, and that's like a really cool effect. The only problem is like, because it's such a cheap saber, is that I think the accelerometers and the soundboard, it kind of speaks for it. Yeah, it kind of speaks for itself that the accelerometers, I think, just go haywire and make so much noise, even if you're not really spinning it. But yeah, I do love 18650s in my lightsabers. I think those are awesome. Ooh. I have somebody who wants me to build a custom Darksaber for them. Thank you for the follow, Emperor Beaver. Emperor Julius Beaver. Thank you for the follow. It is 1:31. Yeah, I should start packing up. I should pack up. Damn it. I'm gonna start stripping the screw if I keep doing that. We're gonna leave it like that. We'll fix it later. But yeah, guys, we've had a really productive stream the last 2 days. May the 4th is coming up tomorrow. I have prep for that, so I will not be streaming tomorrow. May the 4th is May the 4th, so I will not be streaming on May the 4th. I will be, I don't know. I think the earliest I'll be streaming will be either the weekend or next week itself. And we're either going to be customizing a controller for the GameCube, or not the GameCube, sorry. I'm either going to be customizing my Pro controller for my Switch in preparation for Monster Hunter, or I'm going to be opening some Pokemon packs. There are some Pokemon cards coming out at the end of this week, so that's cool. Or I'll play some video games. It's a toss-up between other things. I don't know. There's a bunch of video games that I might play, but I think Halo. Yeah, Halo's new season's coming out, so I'm gonna probably play that and see how that is. Or I'll play Fallen Order, or I'll play Kingdom Hearts. I don't know. One of those. I definitely have a lot on my to-play list. But yeah, so we're either playing video games, customizing my Switch controller, or opening Pokemon cards. But yeah, that's happening sometime next week. I have a very busy, starting tomorrow, I have a very busy schedule. But thank you guys for the follow. You guys will soon enough see any new content I make because of your follows. So that's super awesome. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. But yeah, shout out to you guys. Emperor Julius, Casper Spook, Casper Spook. IB Dustin, Bacon Plays Games, Groovatronic, B Lover. Thank you guys for dropping by. I really appreciate it. We were very productive this stream. Really, this is the first time I've ever been rated. Fun fact. Never been rated before. Maybe it's because everybody plays Pokemon and I don't stand out, I guess. But not everybody fixes sabers on Twitch, huh? So yeah. But yeah, thanks so much for the follows. Thanks so much for chatting. They opened my mind to Furby and this Mauser Electronics website. That's kind of cool. I'm definitely going to scrub through this and see if I can find anything I can use off of it. But yeah, guys. Whop. We're going to call that a stream, y'all. Going to have a good night. I hope everybody sleeps well. I don't know if you're sleeping anymore, Julius. But if you do, I hope it's a good sleep. Or at least worth some rest. It's too late for bed. No sleep for me. Gotcha. It's all good. But yeah, I need to sleep. And I need to shower. You know, it'd be really cool for me to like custom make my own PVC saber one day. I'm kind of fixing all these sabers because of procrastination and what's it called? May the 4th. Oh, hold up. I didn't show this thing. We have May the 4th be with you. Always. But yeah. We fixed 11 sabers over the last 2 streams, so that was really sick. We got May the 4th coming up. Got some cool audience members out of this. Thank you guys for watching. May the 4th be with you. Always. We're gonna raid somebody! Somebody raided me, let's raid somebody else. I have never done it before, so we're just going to go. Woo!